Love is a language of the soul. It excites, it encourages, and makes friendships. Meaningful and fun. My girls. Our girl trip. Hey y'all, so I made it back home safely, and but yeah, I didn't record every single thing, but I could just pretty much give you guys a recap. So pretty much we went to LMA concert, which was really good. And we went to Finger Licking Child because we wanted to try the restaurant down there, you know, because I know they were saying that the ratings was really good, and a lot of people in Miami like love that Finger Licking, you know, they love the spot or whatever. So we went there. I ended up not eating anything because it was like 2 in the morning by the time 1, 2 in the morning by the time we got to the place. No, it wasn't 2. It was like 12 or 1 or something like that. And I normally don't eat that late. I can't eat that late. My body won't really allow me because I train myself, so that's a whole nother story. But I don't eat that late anymore. But anyways, the experience at the festival was good. But yeah, we was kind of tired, well, not all of us, but 2 of the squad was kind of tired. But yeah, but we got it done. We had a fabulous time here. We had a fabulous time, and we got a chance to really bond and stuff like that, and just really talk about just everything, child. It was fun. It was like a I don't know, a slum party in a hotel. But we had we had a real crazy experience with the hotel that we were in. Now, this is a really nice hotel that we were staying in. We had a crazy experience. And the experience was pretty much like our door was opening, by itself. It was just a lot of, So we had a lot of trials and error that we got through. And so we made it through it. And we're here safely home by God's grace. And we finished spending time with our families and stuff. So, and that's pretty much it with this vlog. I ain't filmed every single thing, but just to give y'all a little glimpse and stuff like that. So, of what happened. But yeah, and another thing too. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to be, try to vlog more and stuff like that, and show you guys my life and stuff like that. And be in tune with it. So just look out for more videos and stuff like that. And I'm gonna try to prioritize better, honey. But thank you for watching my vloggy, and bye.